Hey guys, I'm Kimberly from the Fat Quarter Shop, and I'm here to reveal the Sew Sampler April 2020 box. So, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe in the description box below, and I'm going to show you what's in this box. So when you open, of course, so cute. So this is our April 2020 box. And in all of our Sew Sampler box, you get this really nice overlay of what you're receiving. So it's going to show you everything that's in your box, tell you a little bit about it. It's going to give you the SKU number in case you want to reorder anything. And everything, of course, is super cute. So I'll put this to the side. Your first item in your box is your at-home Jolly Bar. It is from the At Home collection. It's 5 by 10 inch rectangles and there's 40 pieces. And the great thing about it is it's a combination of both Bonnie's colorways and Camille's colorways. And it's a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive, so lots of fabric, great value. Your next item is our brand new Scallops and Waves quilting template. And this is a great way for you to draw lines and do quilting at home on your home machines. We've got an ALPHABITTIES expansion pack, and what that is a way to label your fabrics with a couple more options than we have had previously. We have a BEESWAX thread conditioner, which is so cute. You can use it for quilting, especially when you're putting your binding on. It will help everything not tangle. When you turn this over, it is going to tell you this wonderful garden GALA pattern. It's super cute. It's 48 by 48, and again, all of the patterns that come in the box are Sew Sampler exclusive. It's the only way to get the pattern. And our next sew along, we're going to sew along all year. You're going to get a pattern each month, and this is our first one. It's super cute. They are going to be 12 blocks that are 18 inches finished. And since it's the April 2020 box, it's our annual celebration, and this is an entire book of coupons. Of course, I can't open it since you have to be a subscriber to get your coupons. We hope you love this April 2020 Sew Sampler box. It's absolutely amazing. It's a great value, and we can't wait to see everything that you make with it. So make sure to hashtag so we can see what you're doing, and share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.